Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off subtitles or closed captions on a YouTube video. If you find captions distracting and want to disable them, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app on your phone or go to YouTube on your browser. Play any video as an example. If the video is in full screen mode, you may notice subtitles or closed captions CC appearing. Tap on the gear icon in the video player. Look for the option Captions and tap on it. Select Turn Off to disable subtitles completely. Now when you play the video again, the subtitles will no longer appear. And that's it. That's how you turn off subtitles or closed captions on a YouTube video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.